Vinyl Windows Sterling Heights is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. With a variety of vinyl window styles available, residents can enjoy both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Vinyl window contractors in Sterling Heights offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, enhancing the overall value of your home. Energy-efficient vinyl windows Sterling Heights are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior insulation. These windows are perfect for those looking to upgrade their homes with custom vinyl windows that offer both style and efficiency. Vinyl window suppliers in Sterling Heights, MI, provide a wide range of options to meet every homeowner's needs. Custom vinyl windows Sterling Heights offer personalized solutions for any home. With various vinyl window designs and features, homeowners can select the perfect fit for their style and budget. Vinyl window experts in Sterling Heights, MI, are available to guide you through the selection process, ensuring you find the best vinyl window options for your home. Vinyl window replacement. Sterling Heights is a cost-effective way to improve your home's appearance and energy efficiency. Affordable vinyl windows. Sterling Heights provide a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. Vinyl window deals in Sterling Heights, MI make it easier than ever to upgrade your windows. Double-hung vinyl windows. Sterling Heights offer a classic look with modern benefits. These windows are easy to clean and maintain, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Vinyl window maintenance in Sterling Heights ensures your windows remain in top condition, providing long-term performance. Vinyl window replacement in Sterling Heights, MI, is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether you need minor repairs or complete replacements, vinyl window services in Sterling Heights are available to address any issues. Vinyl window contractors in Sterling Heights are skilled in providing efficient and reliable replacement solutions. Vinyl window frames in Sterling Heights are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These frames are available in various styles and colors, allowing homeowners to customize their windows to match their home's exterior. Vinyl window benefits in Sterling Heights include increased energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal. Vinyl window prices in Sterling Heights are competitive, offering homeowners great value for their investment. With vinyl window discounts in Sterling Heights, MI, you can enjoy high-quality windows at an affordable price. Vinyl window offers in Sterling Heights make it easy to find the perfect windows for your home without breaking the bank. Vinyl window solutions in Sterling Heights provide homeowners with a range of options to improve their homes. From vinyl window upgrades to innovative designs, there are numerous ways to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. Vinyl window experts in Sterling Heights, MI, are ready to assist you in finding the best solutions for your needs.